Dear investors, one of the IPO has missed by us, and that is Rolex Strings Limited IPO. Vridvesh Finance presenting GMP today for Rolex Strings Limited IPO 2021. And this is just a prediction, please note that. Dear investors, Rolex String Limited IPO detail, which we have missed it, but we are giving this IPO was open on 28 July, closed on 30 July 2021. Issue type was book build issue. IPO face value was 10 rupees per equity share and price band between 880 to 900 per equity shares, and market lot was 16 shares per lot minimum, and it was going to list in BSE and NSE. The basis of allotment date is the 4th August 2021. Was initiation of refund happen on the 5th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be happen on the 6th August 2021. That will be tomorrow, and IPO listing date is on 9th August 2021. You can probably you have applied for minimum and maximum number of lot shares. One lot 16 share costing you 14,400, and maximum 13 lot you applied probably that was 208, and maximum it cost you 1,87,200 was only. Diversification subscription detail for Rolex Strings Limited. Yes, this is one of the biggest IPO in the year. Until dated, it has been subscribed number of times. Rolex has given this on 13 July. The reports was published. The qualified institutional buyer number of times. Total mint category was 45.92. Foreign investors is also available there. They have bidded number of shares. Domestic financial institution like a bank, financial institute, and insurance company is also bidder. Mutual fund is also shown in the reports. Yes, others is also there. Number of institutional investors, that is 2. Non-institutional investor was large amount of category in case of Rolex Strings. Yes, number of times. Total mint category was 294.18. That was quite strategized one. The corporate is also bidded for this number of shares. Yes, other than RIIs is individual also there. Yeah, others is also there. If you see retail individual investor RIIs is 11.74 number of times. Total mint for category has been there. The price and the cutoff, where you can see the total. If you see, there is a 82.03 number of times of total mint for the category. The numbers is quite good in this case of Rolex Rings Limited. Dear investors, we are delayed this IPO details and all. That's the real reason we are giving only GMP, and that in case they offer discount offer, it may cost you 860 INR. But probably no, this company will gives you good GMP. Hopefully, we can't tell to the management. They have to give the good day of listing will be the good. So that's the reason for safely we are given this GMP. Yes, the minimum it can gives you band between minimum will be 1300 INR only, and maximum will be 1590, because this is name of Rolex String Limited. This is based in Bombay. Rolex Strings Limited, we are giving little amount of detail about this company. Yes, it's a promoter name Mr. Dayashankar Madeka, and this is not Mr. Dayashankar, it's a Rupesh Dayashankar Madeka and Manish Dayashankar Madeka. In the year of 1977 and 78, in the partnership firm was thereafter they converted into joint stock of the company under 1956 Act, where Rolex Ring Private Limited certified in the year of 2003 in the month of February and dated 13th. So if you see, they have changed from private limited to the public limited name, that is Rolex Rings Limited, in the year of 2021 on the 10th March. If you see their details, sorry, this is not Bombay based company, this is Gujarat based company, that is Glow Textile Private Limited, BH, Gondal Road, Kothria, Rajkot, Gujarat 360004, where the corporate office is based in near Kothria railway crossing, opposite Hotel Krishna Park, Gondal Road, Kothria, Rajkot, Gujarat 360004. For further information, please log on rolexrings.com. We are focusing Rolex Rings Limited company. They have started their manufacturing and operations in the year of 1988. The first manufacturing plant set up in Rajkot. Yes, in that case, manufacturing including high-speed hot former from Shakamura, such as Shakamura model HBP 160, Shakamura model HBP 1200SS, Shakamura model HFW 1004 hot former. Head bar such as head bar Hotmatic HM75XL hot former, head bar Hotmatic HM35 machines, vertical forging lines, Menio 600 tons auto forging press, Mitsubishi SMS Mir such as SMS Mir rings roll line, Inomoto such as Inomoto model 1000Z ESH, Servomoto driving screw press 16,000 K, and Emoco and conventional forging line integrated in induction heating furnace. A large part of existing machine line consists of spindle from TMG, Fuji, ST, Sugmi, Hyundai, Mazak, Muratec domestic CNC turning center, as well as on the date of DRHP, we have 22 forging lines with combined installed capacity 1,44,750 MTPA, machining facilities consisting of 508 spindles with combined installed capacity 66 million part per annum, and other machinery including heat treatment furnace, cold rolling machine, and other infrastructure. The product portfolio including wide range of bearing rings, part of gearbox, automotive component, among the others, are manufacturing capabilities completed to tool designing, engineering, product development capabilities. Till date, they have offered drives, range of hot forged machine, alloy, steel bearing, ring weighing 0.01 kilogram to over 163 kilogram with the inner diameter 25 millimeter, outer diameter 900 millimeter. So this product suitable wide range of end user industries such as automotive, railway industry, infrastructure, renewable energy, among the others. Other customers typically order a large volume, and we cater to order using flexible manufacturing infrastructure, skill processing, achieving operational efficiency, quality and fiscal 2020. They supply bearing, ring, automotive component over 60 customers in 17 countries, primarily located in India, United States of America, in Europe countries such as Germany, France, Italy, Czech Republic, and Thailand. We have been maintained long standing relation with our customer, and 80% of our 10 largest customer in fiscal year of 2020 we have both over with us in decade. Hey investors, thank you by Prithvish Finance. Yes, we are late in this particular IPO, that is Rolex Rings Limited IPO. If you see, Prithvish Finance has just shared the country detail where they are present: Canada, USA, Slovakia, France, Portugal, Poland, Germany, Romania, Czech Republic, Hungary, Austria, Italy, South Africa, Argentina, India, and Thailand. Whether product portfolio is a transmission component, gear blanks, ring gear, sun and pinions, shaft, lock nut, engine component are pulley, cam lobe, other forged components. Chassis component is wheel hubs, Gen 2 and Gen 3 bearing component, output shaft, CVJ component, bearing rings for TRBs, CRBs, SRBs, SPBS, DGBBS, angular contact bearing, double row bearing. Exhaust system is component flanges by yoke cones to lip. Product application: two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler in industrial, railway, off-highway, earth-moving, windmill, textile, electrical, defense, power, aerospace, marine, and oil and natural gas. See, basically, if we say anything about their products, shaft and all kind of rings, the name itself is a Rolex rings. Okay, so if you want to build any sort of model or any machinery, you need some kind of screw rings, okay, to get fitted your components, their parts and all. So what you will do, you will buy for someone. So here is the client detail of Rolex, that is GM, Allison Transmission, then KGN Driveline, NBC Flexible Solutions, ICSA, Linamar, Power to Perform, Knorr, Brims, Ford, Magna, Getrag, Forcia, Timken, NRB Bearings, and TN, SRN, ILJIN, Magnetic Marelli, Getrag, Ford Transmission, Automotive, Alexa, RSB, Shuffler, ABC Bearing Limited, Correro Group, SKF, Nachi, Toto Tech Excellence in Motion, Vosu India, Eton, Power Business Worldwide, and TN, that is New Technology Network, RBC Bearing. So this is basically this company. If you see, their industry applications is everywhere, including railway, including automotive. See, if you want to see, if you want to build any car, what you need it, the component, and to fit some sort of ring and engine and all. So for that purpose you need this sort of materials. So that's the reason this company will go as long as decades and decades. So if you see their history also, they are quite old company, we can say, because at the beginning we have given the detail. Wait a moment. Yes guys, you can go through our video and you will find Rolex rings is really small it's not a small company, but yeah, they are long-term company because their application is everywhere in each industry, because they are working since 1977. Do you understand? 1977 means quite long. We can say 4+ decades they have completed. Have a great day guys. Good day. Bye bye.